Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a workspace in Asana, whether you're managing a new project, organizing a team, or simply need a separate space to keep different workflows organized. Creating a dedicated workspace in Asana is the perfect solution. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to Asana and log into your account. Open your browser and navigate to asana.com. Then enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main Asana interface where all your current projects and tasks are displayed. Now look down to the bottom left corner of the page where you'll find your profile photo or icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to account settings, workspace management, and other important features that help you customize your Asana experience. From the drop-down menu, locate and click the plus New Workspace button. This option allows you to create an entirely separate workspace within your Asana account, which is incredibly useful when you want to keep different teams, projects, or clients completely segregated from one another. Each workspace functions independently, so you can maintain clear boundaries between different areas of work. A dialog box will appear asking you to provide details for your new workspace. In the Workspace name field, type a name that clearly identifies the purpose or team associated with this workspace. Choose something descriptive and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to manage multiple workspaces. A clear name helps you and your team members quickly identify which workspace you're working in at any given time. Next, you'll see an optional field labeled Invite Members. If you already know who needs access to this workspace, you can add their email addresses here. This step is entirely optional, so if you prefer to set up the workspace first and add members later, you can simply skip this field. However, inviting members right away can save time and get everyone working together immediately. Finally, click the Create Workspace button to finalize the process. Your new workspace is now ready to use, complete with its own set of projects, tasks, and team members. You've successfully created a separate organizational hub within Asana that you can customize to fit your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.